make known his deeds among his people. Verse 2. Sing unto him, sing psalms unto him, talk ye of all his wondrous works. Hallelujah. This is a new month and God has done a lot of things in our lives. Is it so? And therefore we are here to give him thanks. We are here to give him praise. Hallelujah. So I'd just like you to join me, give God thanks by just standing up. Stand up everybody and join me, give thanks this afternoon. Hallelujah. Band, are we ready? Let's go. Just give me a clap. Just give me a clap. I want to see you giving thanks with your hands, with your body, with everything that you have. One more time. Body, body, body. Baba Asante, Baba Asante, Baba Asante, Baba Asante, Nashukuru kwa wema wako, nashukuru kwa fadhili zako, rehema zako zanifuata mimi. Kama sio wewe, ningekuwa wapi? Baba asante. Nashukuru kwa wema wako, nashukuru kwa fadhili zako, rehema zako zanifuata mimi. Kama sio wewe, ningekuwa wapi? Baba asante, asante, Baba asante, asante, Baba asante.
to you.